Alright you all, we are jumping straight into this beginner-friendly makeup tutorial, and if you want to know how I did my eyebrows, I will link my eyebrow tutorial to this video. But today I am going to be using two different foundations. I'm going to be applying the Black Radiance Nutmeg Oil-Free Foundation in the middle of my face, and then I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 420 for the outside of my face. Now, I know this is like kind of crazy. Why am I doing two foundations? But you guys, I just watched this video recently about matching yourself with foundation, and the lady actually spoke about women of color, and she stated that we normally have 1 to 2 different colors in our actual skin complexion. And you guys, I thought this was absolute genius because I always struggle when it comes to picking the perfect foundation shade, and now I know I'm definitely more than one shade. So you guys let me know down below in the comments, what tips do you guys use to actually picking out your foundation shade. And you guys, I actually have to make a correction. I'm actually using the Maybelline Fit Me Pore-less Foundation in the shade 338 Spicy Brown, not the Black Radiance one this time. And just a little tip for those of you that are new to wearing makeup, definitely make sure that you blend. You guys, blending is so key when it comes to anything that you're doing with your makeup. This was definitely my biggest mistake when I first started wearing makeup. I wouldn't really go back and make sure that I blended everything. So please make sure that you use a damp beauty sponge or a nice fluffy brush to blend all of your foundation together. Now that I have everything all blended out, I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Camo Concealer. Now this is my first time using this product, and I must say I definitely appreciate the consistency of this product. This concealer is not too thick and it's not too thin or runny either. It's like that perfect blend, so that way you can blend out this concealer flawlessly. And I also really love that this product comes with a brush applicator. It definitely makes it easier to control where the product goes on your face. And again, I'm going to be using a damp beauty sponge to blend out the concealer on my face. And I'm also going to be setting this concealer with the NYX Banana Setting Powder. And always make sure, you guys, when you are applying cream products, that you go back in with a powder to set those products in place. Alright you guys, now it's time for the eyes. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe Fierce by Nature 3503 palette, and I'm just going to be using one eyeshadow because I wanted to make this makeup look as beginner friendly as possible. And I'm just going to be using a light fluffy eyeshadow brush to take this peachy pink shade and just blend that all over my eyelid. When you are using just one eyeshadow, using neutral shades such as browns and peaches are really good colors to use if you're just new to eyeshadow and you really don't know how to apply it. Next, I'm going to be applying the Fairytail Cosmetics Fantasy Eyelashes. And you guys, I don't know, this might be my new favorite pair from them, but these eyelashes are super pretty. They're very natural looking and they're very easy to apply. So if you are looking for some affordable eyelashes that you can wear every day, definitely make sure you check out the description box down below because I will be linking these lashes and all of the products that I'm using in this video in the description box. Alright y'all, so now it's time for my favorite part of doing makeup, which is adding highlighter. I don't know, highlighter is like adding icing to the cake. It's like the magic for me. But today I'm going to be using the Nickak New York highlighter, and I like to apply my highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my high cheekbones, and also underneath my eyebrows. And today's lip combination is also going to be very simple. I'm going to be using the Fairytail Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Naked. And then I'm going to go on top of that with my favorite clear lip gloss. Y'all, like, if I'm not wearing lipstick, I'm always wearing some clear lip gloss. Like, okay. And then I'm going to go on top of that with the Fairytail Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Madre. This is like a nice light pink color, and I'm just going to blend everything all together. And you all, that is all for this beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. I hope that you all really enjoyed this video and learned something new. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you can be notified when I post a new video. And you all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye!